Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology for USMLE Step 1. To build a strong foundation, begin by understanding the core mechanisms of action for various drugs. It's crucial to grasp how each medication works within the body. Additionally, pay close attention to their common adverse effects and any contraindications, as these are frequently tested. Finally, familiarize yourself with drug classifications and their key prototype agents to organize your knowledge effectively. To truly master pharmacology, active learning is essential. Create flashcards for drug names, mechanisms, and side effects to facilitate rapid recall. Don't hesitate to develop your own mnemonics. These personalized memory aids can be incredibly effective for complex details. Most importantly, engage with a comprehensive question bank regularly. Solving practice questions helps solidify your understanding and identifies areas needing further review, preparing you for the exam format. When preparing for USMLE Step 1, focus on high-yield pharmacology topics. The autonomic nervous system drugs are particularly important and frequently appear on the exam. Dedicate significant time to mastering cardiovascular and renal pharmacology, as these systems involve many critical medications. Additionally, ensure you have a solid understanding of antimicrobial and anticancer agents, including their mechanisms and resistance patterns. These areas represent a substantial portion of the pharmacology content. To ensure long-term retention and application, integrate pharmacology with other basic sciences like physiology and pathology. This holistic approach helps you understand the clinical relevance of drugs. Make it a habit to regularly review high-yield drug tables and charts, which condense vast amounts of information into an easily digestible format. Finally, simulate exam conditions by taking timed practice tests. This strategy builds endurance and familiarizes you with the test environment, boosting your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.